WhatsApp just rolled out an exciting new update. You can now import your profile picture directly from Facebook or Instagram. No screenshots, no downloads, just a single tap. To begin, open WhatsApp on your phone. Then tap the three vertical dots located in the top right corner. From the drop-down menu, select Settings. Next, tap on your profile picture at the top. Then, tap the Edit button. You will now see two new options, Import from Instagram and Import from Facebook. If they don't appear, ensure your WhatsApp app is updated. To use this feature, you must link your accounts in Meta's Account Center. If you haven't done so, navigate to Account Center and connect your Facebook and Instagram accounts with WhatsApp. Now, tap either option to proceed. Read the information, then tap Allow and continue. On the next screen, you will be prompted to finish adding these accounts to the same account center. If this is the correct account, tap Yes, finish adding. Now, you can crop or rotate the picture if needed. When ready, tap Done. Your profile picture will then be imported from the selected social media account and displayed on WhatsApp. So, that's how you can import your WhatsApp profile picture directly from your Facebook or Instagram account.